I forgot to press record, but I am just using up my colors from my Dutch pour that I just did, and I'm trying to do an open cup. And I'm not sure how this is going to work. Well, I think I need to learn better skills at tilting because I get my cells all misshapen. I think I tilt too fast, maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe I shouldn't have torched as much at first. I like seeing all the different colors pop up. The Floetrol definitely works way better with Artist Loft than it does with the craft paint. That's for sure. And there's a nice glittery sort of shininess to it because of the old gold paint.